A grilled cheese sandwich might be hella basic, but this thing be hitting.
Wagwan, you know, see, say, clock slaves, girl, don't come in on my place if you're not beat. Make sure you and your arm shave. One go for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I made this grilled cheese sandwich that's just so cheesy and delicious, then keep on watching this video. So first things first, we're gonna get started with our ingredients that we're gonna need. Right here I have some butter. This is the Bluebonnet butter, as you can see. Then I have some finely shredded cheese. This is a Colby and Monterey Jack blend. And then I have my Singles American cheese and some honey wheat bread. This is the brand Nature's Own. You can use white bread if you'd like. You can use wheat bread, whatever you like. This is all a matter of preference, but these are all the ingredients that you're gonna need. Really easy, really simple. So right here I have 2 slices of bread. Then I'm gonna take a generous amount of butter, and using a butter knife, I'm just gonna butter the bread. So I'm gonna butter each slice. So that's 1. Then I'm gonna go ahead onto the other one. Just like this. Next, with the heat on medium, our frying pan is already hot. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just place 1 slice of the buttered bread this way, the butter side down. Take 1 slice of the American cheese, place it right here on top. Next, we're gonna add some of our shredded cheese on top. Next, we're gonna add the other slice of bread on top, the buttered side facing up. This is because we're gonna flip it over. So because you're using a non-stick frying pan, all the little cheese that got away from the shredded cheese, you could just go ahead and take those out. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip it over to the other side. Nice and toasty, not too toasty, but just exactly how I want it to be. You do not want this to be burnt, so definitely once you hear that sizzle stops a bit, then you could go ahead and flip it over to the other side. And we're all done. Take a knife and just cut it into a triangle. Like, it's still hot, but look at this cheese. Like, I can't even get it apart. It's just so good. A grilled cheese sandwich might be hella basic, but this thing be hitting. Look at all that cheese. Some hard dough bread would I make this fully slap way, but it still turn up.